We've seen the gift guide for the cool girl. We've seen the gift guide for your boyfriend. This is a gift guide for the randos in your life. Your cousin's boyfriend, your boyfriend's dad, a random uncle that shows up to the holiday function that you did not know was invited. People that are important, that are going to be at your holiday function, but you just don't know on a personal level. These are gifts for them that are going to make it look like you actually thought about it or like know them at all. Up first is this hydroponic growing kit. Does this person have yard space? Does this person cook? Does this person have a green thumb? All of these things don't matter. They are gonna love this.
Next is this Blue Zen mini massager gun.
Maybe this person exercises a lot. Maybe this person doesn't exercise a lot because they have an injury that you don't know about. Whatever the case is, this is a great gift. I'm gonna be honest. I ordered this one because it looked cute and it was the right price. I have no idea what this is. A mini body set by Cusio Botanicals. I love this brand. Okay, if I'm being real, I might keep this for myself. It's a body oil, a body wash, and the cuticle oil in 3 different scents. You guys, this is too good of a gift. I'm sorry, I can't give this to a rando in good conscience. I'm keeping it. This one might be a bit of a risk to give to a rando, but I would personally love this gift. It's a paint by number set. Look how freaking cute this is. I got all of this from FabFitFun's Black Friday sale. It's open now. Happy shopping for yourself, for your loved ones, and for all those randos out there.